Do your eyes feel tired, dry, or itchy after hours of scrolling, reading, or working? Do you notice headaches, blurry vision, or that your eyes feel heavy by evening? Ever wonder why your eyes seem to get worse every day despite resting? You might think it's just fatigue, but your eyes are actually sending signals that they need intentional care. Let's dive into how small, science-backed habits can transform your eye health and comfort. Medical studies show that staring at screens reduces blinking by up to 60%, causing dryness and irritation. Blue light from devices suppresses melatonin, disrupting sleep cycles and leaving your eyes fatigued. Poor posture, harsh lighting, and subtle habits like rubbing your eyes strain the delicate ocular muscles. Psychology research shows mental fatigue amplifies visual discomfort. Your brain and eyes are deeply connected. The problem starts subtly. One skipped break, one late-night binge, one harsh light source. Over time, these small habits accumulate, leading to headaches, blurred vision, and long-term discomfort. Fortunately, science offers easy, actionable ways to reduce strain and boost eye health without complicated tools or expensive solutions. Let's move from understanding the problem to actionable visual hacks you can start today. 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. Relax your ciliary muscles and prevent digital eye strain. Your vision feels refreshed, like your eyes just stretched. Blink consciously. Blink more often when using screens. Spreads tears evenly, keeping eyes moist. Instant payoff. No more dry, scratchy eyes. Screen position hack. Keep screens 18 to 24 inches away and slightly below eye level. Reduces strain on eye and neck muscles. Visual payoff, more comfort, less tension. Warm compress magic. Apply a warm compress over closed eyes for 5 minutes daily. Stimulates oil glands, improves tear quality, and prevents dryness. Your eyes feel soothed and spa-like. Nutrient boost. Eat leafy greens, carrots, and omega-3 rich foods. Lutein and zeaxanthin protect retinal cells from oxidative stress. Your eyes get stronger from the inside out. Sunglasses shield. Wear UV protective sunglasses outdoors. Blocks UVA and UVB rays, reducing cataract and retinal damage risk. Your eyes stay safe, glare-free, and comfortable. Use soft, ambient lighting instead of harsh overhead lights. Reduces glare and prevents excessive pupil dilation. Visual payoff, reading or screen work becomes easier and less straining. Drink enough water throughout the day. Supports tear production and prevents dryness. Eyes feel naturally refreshed and awake. Gently press and rotate palms over closed eyes. Boosts blood circulation and relaxes ocular muscles. Visual payoff, instant reset, like mini spa therapy for your eyes. Schedule annual visits to an eye specialist. Early detection of glaucoma or macular degeneration prevents long-term vision loss. Your eyes stay healthy and your mind reassured. Don't miss your daily dose of hacks. Subscribe now. Drop your problem in the comments and consider it solved in the next video.